Gonna be another crappy video, but such is. Got this from one of the dumpsters at work. All the guys that remove them, drop them off at the dumpster. Company doesn't make any money off of it. It's just a way for them to get rid of it. So I got some stuff built up. About 7 compressors. I got that thing there. And yeah, for the keyboard warriors, the refrigerant was recovered. Just so you know. Yeah, this Lennox is 2.5 years old, and apparently the compressor rotted through already. But that's fine. They're just so very energy efficient and economical, aren't they? So yeah, I got a few coils here. I take a Sawzall to the ends of them and clean them up. The steel I don't even take off anymore. I just put that on the curb. I try and throw a bone to other scrappers. So yeah, we'll get started here. It's just a cheap piece of junk, Goodman, from the 2000s. I forget when. Let's see. I'll have to take a picture of it and look it up. But it's a CPL or CPLJ series. As you can see, it's a heat pump. It's got a defrost board on it. And just to prove to you, with the true suction port here, nothing in it. It's all the way depressed in. And it's a cheaper unit. I don't know why this is up here. Cheaper unit. The coil guard is. Get the right tool to do some damage. Or the fact that it actually really is kind of a cheap unit. And yeah, somehow these actually held up. So I think first what we're going to do is get ready to take this top off of here. Yeah, trying to do this in the freezing cold is not the best idea, but really, yeah, doing this in the cold is not the best idea, but I kind of need to get this shit out of here because I got too many units. Okay, I got the coil guard off. Fold that up and put it out on the curb. Post it on Marketplace. I'm going to cut all the connections to where the coil is connected to the manifold here. Got the coil out here, so I'm gonna cut some of this copper. June of 2005, CPL T30-1B. Trying to go to as close to the compressor as I can, even though I can't make a full rotation. There we go. Yeah, when I told you it was going to be a crappy video, it's a crappy video. I need to find my tripod that has a phone holder on it again. I have a regular one for a camcorder, but obviously I don't record with that much anymore, and I'm screwing this up. Readjust it here. Should have put my gloves on. I wouldn't have to worry about going so slow, because I don't want to cut myself on that pipe. All right, there's that. Yep, it's a Goodman scroll. High efficiency unit. Now I can match up that data code with or data tag with this. Yep, 2005. So yeah, really nothing much else to it. I'm gonna loosen the compressor bolts, get that out of there. Cut apart all this copper, separate number 1, number 2, and brass. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I was kind of bored, figured I'd make a video of it. So yeah, bye.